What's up, guys? I'm here. Yo, this is like the fourth time trying to record this video because like shooting outside is crazy. It just rained and the place was still hot. Yo, some mosquito just attacked me a while ago, but yo, we got to get this video out of the way. So I'm here in Montego Bay, right? So I have a very interesting week ahead, and I'm here to test out this monitor right here that I have. So this is the FEELWORLD F5 PROX 5.5 inch. Very interesting monitor, and I must say, using it right now, it looks really good, right? This is a 1600 nits bright monitor, well, 4K monitor, which is pretty cool. You know, it has the interesting stuff that most monitors have nowadays that you'd really like. Can you see the screen? No, barely. So one of the good things about this monitor, right? I'm actually powering it via Type-C with this small rig battery. And yo, the neatness about this monitor is pretty cool because it's very light. If you look at the back, right? If you look at the back, this is where you can put your batteries if you want. This uses the F97 battery, right? And right here is where you can put your wireless transmitter on it, which is pretty cool. You get me? You have the HDMI in, HDMI out. You have the 12-volt DC power, and you have quite a few mounting points. All right, you have one here, one to this side, one up here, and you have one down here that I'm using right now, right? And I have DC power out headphone right here. Cool. And you have all of your control knobs at the top. Very interesting. And you with this type of monitor, right? Hold on. Yeah. Fix it back. So with this type of monitor, which is a 4K monitor, you can import your LUTs if you want. So guys, this is what the menu looks like. It's a very weird thing to use because like the screen feels really weird. Because touchscreen, yes, but it feels like one of those not so secure type of screen. So once you double tap, right, you get the menu options. You have all of this right here, which give you all the waveforms, right? You have your marker options, your grids, set frame, center, ratio, image, aspect ratio, screen mode, anamorphic, use options, you know, display LUT, HDR. I like the HDR look still. You can turn it on and off, you get me? Display contrast, color adjust, short key. There's so much thing, and then you actually can update this monitor. And you have option if you want to, like, you know, the power setting. So if you like you can manually turn it on, or it's have an auto option, so you can actually just turn on the monitor itself. Well, once you plug it into power, the monitor just comes on by itself, and you actually can update the monitor if you want. So right now I'm currently in anamorphic mode, really, but it's really cool. As I said, I like the design of the monitor. You have certain features which I can use on a day-to-day basis, right? So let me show you the top parts of the monitor, like the button layout and stuff like that. So this is what the monitor looks like. Crap. Okay, focus. All right, so this is what the monitor looks like in hand, right? As I said, it's pretty small. Let me take this off. Oh, nice and clean. All right, so this is the top part of the monitor. As you can see, you have function 1, function 2, touch. Yeah, because you can probably disable the touch or turn it on and off, and you have the other menu option. Here's a power button. This is underneath the monitor. You have the Type-C right here, you get me? And then this is the back of it. This is where you put the, where's the name of it? You'll see the battery name. Where is it? Yeah, the battery name is, I don't know why they have it upside down. So this is the type of battery that you use, the Sony F97 battery. Right, so yeah, this is a pretty dope monitor. Focus. Yeah, so this is a pretty dope monitor, 4K. Yeah, and you have the DC power, HDMI in, HDMI out. So one of my main concern is what I don't like. I rather like say have the monitor like upright, right, like this. I rather my HDMI in to be here more than up top, right? That's one of my things. And if you look at the back, right here is where you have your transmitter. You can actually put the transmitter right here if you want, you get me? And then you have your power supply right here. So yeah, that's basically it for this monitor. Pretty cool, pretty dope, very light. So yeah, that's it. Hey, that's me.